Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Loves for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for all the new subscribers, all the new likes, all the shares, all the comments, and then also all the recommendation to, your friends and family to check out my YouTube channel. Thank you so much to each and every one. So, I hope everyone is doing well. I know outside is just not getting better as fast as we want it to, and we're stuck inside, and some of us are becoming so bored that we're going, outside of our head. Trust me, I am in that place, but I'm here to tell you that you can do things around your house and improve on things around your house to kind of get rid of that boredom or that stress feeling that you're having at the moment. But as I said, I hope everyone is doing well. So today's video is actually a request. Somebody has requested that I show them how I make my bed so neat. I'm just going to show you that it doesn't take that long to get your bed looking nice and neat, and also it doesn't really cost you much to kind of decorate your bed after you've make it, and you just need a little bit of extra time and then patience, and then once you grasp those two things, you can do it really quickly. In my video, I actually take my time because I want you to see how I do step by step, but when I'm doing it, 5 minutes and I'm finished, or even less. And yes, the way how my bed is actually how it is every day, depending on the style that I do. So thank you so much, guys, again for watching, liking, comment, share, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. So I'm just going ahead by putting on my fitted sheet. Now you can iron your fitted sheet, but for me it doesn't really make sense, so I don't really iron my fitted sheet. But what I do is that I tend to use my hand to crease out all the creases in the fitted sheet, just to make sure that it is on the mattress, and also if you use a topper, that is on there and it's quite smooth, so when you put the duvet cover, it doesn't have any lumps or creases to make the bed not so smooth and neat as how I would have done it. So I went ahead and I put the duvet cover onto the duvet. If you're in a country where you don't use a duvet, you can still follow the steps, just without the duvet, of course. And as you can see, I keep using my hand just to crease out and just to kind of get all the creases into their right place, because I want it to be neat and I want it to be the perfect bedding or the perfect setting of the bed, and that's just me. And then you take the first part of it and then fold it down. This is just one style that I have that I really like. And then what you want to do is trim off the hedge. When I mean trim, I mean fold it back again and bring it down to the size of how many cushions you want to use on your bed, and also you have to count with the pillows. So while you do that, just keep using your hand just to brush out the creases, because you want it neat. And as you can see, as I move along and folding and tucking, I try to crease out everywhere possible so everything sits in at the right place. So for the end, sometimes this happens if you use the duvet, it becomes a little bit bulgy. Don't be afraid to push your hand through the duvet and then just straighten it. And then for the end, a lot of people get confused or get muddled up when they do this, because it becomes a bit lumpy and then the bed is a bit wonky. You have to straighten out the duvet, get it properly on and tight enough so when you start folding under the rest of the duvet, it doesn't look bulgy and this side is up and that side is down. But as I said to you, the key here is smoothness. And then once you finish putting on the duvet, you just go around and then just use your hand and smooth everything else. I'm putting the pillows on, depending on how many pillows you use. I like my 4 pillows, but depending, you don't have to use 4. You can use your 2 if you want to. This is just a guide as to how I do mine. And this sheet set I actually got from Primark about 4 years ago, and I paid like £8 because it was on sale. The cushions here I got from B&M and then also from Wilko. So it depends on how you want to arrange your cushion. Take all the time you need to arrange them, move them back, fiddle with them, put them in a different position. it's totally up to you how you want to get them. As you can see, I will try something and then change it and try, and if you keep doing that every day regularly, you know, when it's time to do your bed in a hurry, like how I do it, or do it in a way where you're comfortable with the timing and you don't spend the whole time, you'll be more than happy to get the result in like less time than what you would have normally done. So keep practicing every time, and as you go around, you know, fluff out. I like my pillows to be upright, so as you can see, I keep fluffing and reshaping the pillows and making sure that they're upright. I like when it's upright. To me, the bed seems more appealing. It's like, you know, I want you to come to sleep on me because I am comfortable, and you're outside and you're tired. One thing is on your mind: I want to go home to sleep on my bed. So yeah, this rug I got from Poundstretcher. It was $7.99, and then what I did, I just got these flowers from Home Bargain. I just put them in a vase with some marbles just to keep them upright. Fluff out your flowers, whatever decoration is it that you want to add on to your bed. Just make sure that they're in a nice position that you like. Doesn't matter how long it takes, as I said before. And I'm sure you guys remember this upcycle picture frame that I did in my last video. I just put it on my bed, and a diffuser, or yeah, like a scented, with some gems that I've put on top of it. And then this little thing I got from B&M, I think about a year now. It was $1.99, but I've seen it a few days ago and it's $2.99, so it has gone up a little bit more. Don't be afraid to, you know, fix stuff and move it around. It's all up to you how you feel comfortable with whatever is it that you're doing. And then this side is my little makeup area. So I'm just dressing it up. I've actually dressed up the other bit before, but this side I don't normally dress it up because I don't have that much space. But now I'm just going to show you how you can dress up your room to look so cozy and so nice. And this is a other rug that I got from Poundstretcher, again the same $7.99. So depending when you go out and you see stuff, you can buy it because you never know, you can jazz up your room or any, you know, room in the house and make it look nice. I got this cushion cover from B&M. It was $1.99, and then the love sign, it was $3.99. I got it last week. So just go around, you know, jazz up things as to how you want to and how you feel comfortable. What I'm doing is just based on how I want it to be, so you don't have to copy what I'm doing. You can do basically whatever is it that you want to do. And as you can remember, this plant tray, I upcycled it, or I updo it with these beads on it. And then this is what it looks like after I had finished, you know, prettying up or fandangling up my makeup side of the room. Yeah, and I really like the way how everything looks. You know, this is me and this is how I feel I want it to be. So you don't have to copy what I'm doing, but this is just a guideline or a step-by-step as how you can get your bed looking neat. And oh, I'm so in love with my Lillys. Gabbo got me them yesterday, and those two, I'm not sure what they're called, but I got them from B&M. They were on sale for £3 each, and they look really nice. Yeah, and as you can see, the little marbles, they tend to shine, so everything looks really neat. You can't really tell that it is just stuff that I picked up, which is really cheap. Really cheap, so you don't have to spend a lot of money to get good result. But thank you guys so much. Thank you for the request, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video.